Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide and show your file picture and anything important files on Windows 11's operating system. So if this is your first time use a Windows 11, you can try some features. One of the features is how you can hide your files. For example, let's tap on a picture, and here you can right click the picture, then you can click show more option. Here you can click on a properties. Here under the attributes there is a hidden feature. You can click hidden, apply, and OK. Now the images is hidden. In order to show it, you can click View, click Show, and click on Hidden Items. Now the hidden items will show up. If you enable these hidden items, you can take this. The hidden items, hidden folder will be show up, but the icon will be fading. It means your file is hidden, used to hidden. So here you can go back in order to unhide. Click apply. Now your image no more faded. No faded anymore. Just click View, click Show, and click Hidden Items. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. There's a contact button below. See you in the next video.